Hi guys, so we can see the analysis of what we have previous week analysis and how it works. You can see that Australian dollar versus US dollar guys. Exactly I have told you if it will take support, you can see here taken support. Our first target also reached, second target and third target also almost reached. You can see here. Okay guys, we can see next New Zealand dollar versus US dollar guys. You can see here what happened is that if you seen, this is the one of the trend line. If whenever it breaks, just a second, I will make another one and nice. So this is the trend line guys. You can see here, this is the trend line. How bullish is this? After this is break this trend line, you can see that it taken up. Our first target also reached, second target also reached. Okay guys, these two target also reached. You can see here. Okay guys, after that it continuously goes on in a consolidation phase. Okay guys, in euro versus Japanese yen, you can see here what happened is that you can see that continuously taking resistance. I have told you if it will breaks, gives us very nice and big target. You can see here what we have discussed is that our first target, second target, third and fourth target. You can see that all target almost reached, fourth target also reached, fifth target is not reached, I know that, but it gives us how nice momentum. You can see that our first target also reached, second, third and fourth target guys. You can see that I have told you also I'm still bullish in euro. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair. You can see next is AUD versus CHF. You can see that AUD versus CHF, we can switch it on 1 hourly. That I have not seen that 30 minutes. Okay guys, you can see here it reverse and goes upside. Okay guys, it has reversed, so we have not taken any trade in here. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is that British pound versus Japanese yen. You can see that this is the one of the major trend line. I will just zoom it in. You can see here guys, and this is the major trend line. After this break, you have to take your position. Okay guys, I have told you also if this will break, you can see that how nicely it taken our first target also guys. You can see here first target, second, third, fourth, almost all target we have achieved in British pound versus Japanese yen. You have to see these types of analysis so you can get it next time any these types of chat will behave, so you can get it and you can trade it very confidently. Okay guys, we can see next euro versus US dollar. You can see that it continuously consolidate and not make any move. Okay guys, so we have not traded here also. In British pound versus US dollar also, you can see here continuously taking resistance only. It became so much volatile, not done anything. If you have make here position also, you have got your first target also, second target almost reached, but it came once again downside guys. Okay guys, you can see here I specifically told you is that guys, this is the trend line. Okay guys, I will just remove this. Just give me a second. Okay, you can see here, this is the inner channel. Okay guys, after that taken resistance, I have told you if this will break, our first target also reach, second, third. After here only it became a reversible. You can see that how nicely we have the analysis and how nice we have got our risk to reward. You can see here too, I have told you if it will take resistance. You can see here it's taking resistance. Our first target also reached and almost second target also reached to be. Okay guys, we can see US dollar versus CHF. You can see that I have told you if it will break, it taken a resistance from here. You have to take here position. Your first target will be this, second target guys, these are the second target, third target, fourth target guys. You can see that how slowly it came downside, but it gives us very nice target guys. Okay guys, so we have discussed all. We can see now next week how the all forex major forex will work for us. Okay guys.